In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to best use deep research in Perplexity. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to Perplexity AI. You can use Perplexity without an account, but signing in unlocks features and helps you keep track of your work, so it's worth doing before you begin. On the homepage, look for the Sign In option and select it. When the Sign In window appears, choose Continue with Google. This quickly connects your account so you can get right into deep research without extra setup. Once you're in, locate the Research button or Deep Research option on the interface. Selecting this puts Perplexity into a mode designed for multi-step, source-backed investigation. Think of it as asking the tool to do more than answer a question. It will plan a search strategy, scan trusted sources, compare findings, and compile a structured explanation with citations. Now it's time to type your detailed prompt. The more context you provide, the better the outcome. State the goal clearly, such as what you need to learn or decide. Add constraints like a time frame, region, or industry. Clarify the audience in the desired format, for example, a concise executive summary, a step-by-step breakdown, or a list of pros and cons with references. If a term could be ambiguous, define it in your prompt. And if you have any particular angles you care about, such as recent developments, academic rigor, or practical implementation tips, say so explicitly. A strong prompt might read like a short brief. Include the scope, the deliverable, and any must-have sources or exclusions. This guidance helps the system map out a reliable research plan. When your prompt is ready, press Enter or click the green button to launch the deep research run. You'll see a progress indicator while it works. This can take a few minutes, and that's normal. During this time, Perplexity is searching across the web, opening and evaluating sources, cross-checking claims, and organizing the response into a coherent structure. If your request is broad or highly technical, give it a little extra time to complete. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page so the process can finish smoothly. When it's done, you'll receive a comprehensive, citation-rich result that reflects the plan it executed. You can review the findings with confidence, knowing the tool considered multiple sources and synthesized them thoughtfully. That's the core workflow for making the most of deep research in Perplexity.